Namaste dosto, welcome back to the channel. So you're planning your next big adventure, huh? Passport? Check. Suitcase? Check. That trusty mobile phone that's practically glued to your hand anyway? Double check. We all know the struggle is real. You're out exploring some of the most beautiful places on Earth and you want to capture it all. Well, fear no more, my friends, because today, we're diving deep into the top 10 tips that will elevate your travel photography game using just your phone. All right, let's kick things off with the photography basics. But trust me, this one's a game changer. Natural light is your best friend, especially that magical golden hour right after sunrise and before sunset. You know that soft, warm light that makes everything look like a dream? Yeah, that's the good stuff. Harsh midday sun? Not so much. It creates harsh shadows and washes out colors. So set your alarms, get up early, chase that sunset, and watch your photos transform. We've all been there, standing in a crowd, everyone snapping the same generic photo. But you, my friend, you're here to capture unique, eye-catching shots that tell a story. Don't be afraid to get low, climb high, find a funky angle, experiment. Instead of just shooting straight on, try tilting your phone for a Dutch angle. Get up close and personal with those details. Remember, the world is your oyster, so get creative and show us your unique point of view. Okay, time for a little photography 101. Ever wonder why some photos just look so darn pleasing to the eye? It's often all about composition, and the rule of thirds is your secret weapon. Imagine your screen divided into 9 equal sections by 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines. The goal is to place your subject or points of interest along these lines or at the intersections. This creates balance, draws the viewer's eye, and makes your images more dynamic. Chapter 4. Unleash the power of editing apps. Even the best photographers edit their photos. It's like adding that final sprinkle of magic. And the best part? You don't need fancy software. Your phone can handle it all. There are tons of amazing editing apps out there, like Snapseed, Lightroom Mobile, and VSCO. Play around with brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness to enhance your photos. But remember, less is often more. Find your style, experiment, and watch your photos transform from good to wow. Did you take that on your phone? Chapter 5. Tripods, your new best friend. A small portable tripod can be a game changer, especially in low light, or when you want to capture those epic self-portraits in front of stunning backdrops. No more blurry photos or asking strangers to take your picture. A tripod keeps your phone steady, resulting in sharper images, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Chapter 6. Lead the way with leading lines. Leading lines are like visual cues that guide the viewer's eye through your photo and towards your subject. Think roads, paths, fences, rivers, or even the lines of a building. Anything that creates a sense of depth and direction. By incorporating leading lines, you create a more dynamic and engaging image that draws the viewer in. Chapter 7. Capture the moment. Embrace the candid. While posed photos definitely have their place, there's something truly special about capturing those genuine, unscripted moments. The laughter, the stolen glances, the raw emotions, those are the memories you'll cherish forever. So, put down the selfie stick, ditch the forced smiles, and embrace the beauty of candid photography. Remember what I said about finding unique perspectives? Well, reflections are like little portals to a whole new world of creativity. Look for reflective surfaces like water, windows, mirrors, even puddles. You'd be surprised how many opportunities there are to capture stunning reflections. Capturing movement and action can be tricky, but that's where burst mode becomes your new best friend. Whether you're photographing a sporting event, a busy street scene, or just your dog catching a frisbee, burst mode allows you to capture a rapid sequence of photos by simply holding down the shutter button. This may seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how often people forget this crucial step. Fingerprints, smudges, dust, they all accumulate on your phone's camera lens. Make it a habit to give your lens a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth before you start shooting. This will ensure that your photos are crystal clear and free of any unwanted blur or smudges. There you have it, folks. 10 tips to take your mobile photography to the next level and capture those travel memories like a pro. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun, experiment, and let your creativity run wild. The world is full of amazing things waiting to be photographed, so get out there and start exploring. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more photography tips and travel inspiration. See you in the next one.